Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bonbon syrup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar or lemon juice. Precision is key in candy making, so measure everything carefully. Having your tools ready, like a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer, will make the process much smoother. Now, combine your sugar, water, and cream of tartar in a sturdy saucepan. Heat this mixture gently, stirring only until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, resist the urge to stir further. Allow the syrup to boil steadily without disturbance until it reaches the hard crack stage, which is precisely 320 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This temperature is crucial for the correct texture. Once your syrup hits 320 degrees Fahrenheit, take it off the heat right away. This is the moment to infuse your bonbon syrup with delightful flavors and vibrant colors. Add a few drops of your chosen food coloring and a half teaspoon of a concentrated flavor extract, like raspberry or peppermint. Remember, the syrup will cool and thicken very quickly, so mix these additions in swiftly and thoroughly. After adding your flavors and colors, carefully pour the hot syrup onto a heat-resistant silicone mat or a sheet of greased parchment paper. Let it spread naturally into a thin layer. Allow the syrup to cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes until it becomes completely hard and brittle. Once firm, you can break it into small, irregular pieces. Store your delicious bonbon syrup in an airtight container to maintain its crispness for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.